Choosing the correct electric car charger is essential for a smooth and productive charging experience. Consider the difference between home and business chargers, with business chargers being more robust and catering to multiple vehicles. Look at the different charging speeds, with level 1 being the slowest, level 2 faster, and level 3 or DC fast chargers providing rapid charging for electric vehicles with compatible batteries. Connectivity and smart features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, scheduling, charging history and energy usage tracking are essential for both home and business owners. Make sure the charger is compatible with your electric vehicle's make and model. Installation and available space also need to be considered, with home chargers being easier to install than business chargers. For safety, make sure the charger is certified by reputable organizations such as NICE. Check the warranty and manufacturer's support services before making a final decision. Remember, the right electric car charger can enhance your ownership experience and contribute to a greener future.